People that I've met since the day I've known the name LaTrobe, they've given me, like I said, a good guideline, a good foundation of where I will see myself in the future.
In high school, we only had like one day where this uni would come, that uni would come, and they just give you like a brief overview of what uni is like. But with the Bradford program, they constantly know what's to come. We're able to tell them in detail what's expected of them, what they need to know, what they need to learn, and what they need to improve to be ready.
They come in here every second week and mentor us, and the end goal is just really to give me some experience and like extra help with year 12 life and then hopefully uni life. I have absolutely no idea like really what to expect, so coming in here like I can ask as many questions as I want and they'll just answer them for me.
Sessions like this helps me with giving me a pathway, giving me a way to sort of see what I need to do to get there.
A lot of them are using these same steps that we keep going over with them, learning to manage their time, because when it comes to uni, that's a plus that you need to have, time management and independence.
We try to make it a relaxed environment where it's really safe for them to, to just be who they are. I think it's really important to have that extra support, like other than teachers and possibly parents, just someone else, to bounce ideas off.
So make use of the resources provided, make use of the opportunities provided, make the most of everything that you get.